fish there again. Do it again.
Mommy,
That's so cool, darling. Did you see it?
I'm on both teams. Like I'm on both teams.
Both things. I wish I'd do it again.
Mommy,
Man, that's pretty cool, ain't it?
Mommy, we're gonna have to take turns now.
I bet you I'll do it again when it comes. Got one?
Come on, darling. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Mommy,
The
look.
phone.
It's already on video.
I know. La phone, la phone, la phone. Can the wild fisherman catch the fishy? Don't fall. Don't.
This is nice.
Oh, I see it.
Whoa!
Is that catfish I just saw?
Battery's at 15%. You all got a charger?
In the car.
Okay. Fishy.
It's a catfish. It's a baby catfish.
It's not a baby.
Not a baby. Fishy.
Well,
I'm wet.
Yeah, hold up.
Well, hopefully it doesn't bite me. Mommy, aren't
Fish can't walk on land.
I didn't bring no pliers.
They
Shit.
can flop on land.
Well.
Flop, not walk.
Oh, good. It just barely caught him. But I still need pliers. Quit.
Will you stop laughing?
That's a Chinese trick.
Chinese trick. Catch and release.
When you see it again, let's watch it go to the water. Let's watch
Hope
it
you
go
don't
to the
spin me.
water.
Come on, settle down.
Whee!
Dad, when Dad got a fish for me, Dad actually got a cut. Hopefully he didn't get a cut this time.
No, I didn't get.
Do we need to shut the flash and off the battery?
How am I gonna? Don't get it caught in nothing.